What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's Sasha Talia. So I know right now I look pretty freaking crazy because I like started on one eye, and this is what I was coming up with, like a monochromatic, just one plain color, and then I started to add like these two rhinestones and stuff. So I kind of like the way the direction was going and everything like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on the other side of, like, to do my other eye, and then let's do our foundation because I really want to cover all these freaking spots on my face because my skin, like, the only bad thing about me is when my skin breaks out, I pick at it. Are you guys like that too, or am I just the only one that just like likes to pick? Which is really disgusting because like the way it looks now, it looks horrible. I know, trust me, I know. But anyways, if you want to see what else I'm gonna do with my face and this eye look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so pretty much everything is like super basic, one easy color. So starting off, I'm gonna use the Flawless Fusion Laura Mercier concealer. You can use any type of concealer you want to like make your kind of, I guess, like your canvas kind of things, like starting off. And I'm pretty much gonna try to make this shape and stuff. It doesn't have to be perfect, but what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and just apply this to the lid. And I kind of start off a little bit slow. I mean, I'm still shaping like the shape of my eye and stuff, but the next thing, what I'll do is go in with my BH Cosmetics number 10 brush, and this is part of their marble set. One of my favorite like sets that they have is the marble, especially if you like this like detailing and stuff. I highly recommend their brushes because their brushes are at a good price and stuff, and they are really, really soft. So I highly recommend it. So let me see if I can get this eye to look like the other eye, because sometimes it can be a struggle to get it to look the same. It's kind of like your brows, I feel like sometimes, or like when you do wings and stuff. But yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and do this. Hopefully you guys can't really see, like, I have a big ass mess in the back. Like, if only you guys could see what my like beauty room looks like. In the middle of packing and stuff, so we are moving and everything, and everything, it's like turning into a tornado. I feel like when you pack, like when I pack, I feel like I make the room look worse than what it looked like before, and then it starts to get better, and then all of a sudden, like, I don't know, it's just a process and stuff. So if you guys see like a big ass mess in the back, that's why I'm moving, packing, all that fun stuff. So with this concealer, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start flicking this out and then bring it back in, just like how you do a wing, because I want this to all connect. Okay, once I have my concealer the way I want it, kind of shaped out and everything, you can barely see it, but I promise it's there. The brush I'm taking is a Morphe brush. This one doesn't have like a number or name on it. It just says Morphe. So I probably bought it in one of their sets, but it's just a flat brush. And I'm taking the Morphe and Jeffree Star collab, and the shade I'm going into is Honest Truth, which is this shade right here. Like, I was just looking at this palette and I was like, what is sticking out to me? Like, what do I want to do? And I don't know, I seen that color, I was like, huh, that's really pretty. So I mean, all the colors are really pretty, but that's the one like that stood out to me and stuff. So I was like, let's just try to use this, and hopefully it's pigmented enough and stuff. So this is such a pretty shade. You do have to build it up and everything, but as you can see, it's pretty much the shade that you see in the pan is what you're seeing on your eyelids, which I love that, because sometimes you get shadows that don't look like the shade in the pan, which is annoying sometimes, because you're like, oh shit, that color in that palette is really pretty, and then you swatch it or you put it on your eyelid and you're like, that's not even the same color, which is so annoying, but it happens. Yeah, this shade is so pretty. So with the outer portion, I'm just gonna go ahead and tap it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start flicking this out. Kind of like a wing, you flick it out, and then I'm gonna bring it back but into my crease so it all connects. Okay, so I'm still taking that same shade, Honest Truth, but I'm changing my brush. I'm changing it to a Morphe E36 brush, and it's much more smaller and denser and perfect for your under eyes, or you can use it for like detailing and stuff, which is amazing. But I'm gonna go ahead and just run the shadow all through my lower lash line, and you can blow this shadow out however much you want. I'm blowing it out just a tad bit, and I'm connecting it to this portion of my eye where it's connecting with that wing right there with the other shadow. Literally, this eye look is like almost done. Okay, so next what I'm going in with is the Rimmel 213 in the nude. It's a waterline pencil, a nude pencil, and I'm just gonna put that in my waterline in the lower portion of my eye. Next thing I'm gonna do is take my House of Lashes glue. This glue, I need a new one. This glue is so nasty and like it's just done for, but I'm still using it. But what I'm gonna go ahead and do, since this is a brush tip, to glue on the rhinestones, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it where I want the rhinestone to go. So I applied the glue where I want the rhinestones to go. Okay, so I put that one where I put the glue at. And then this last one, I'm just plopping them. I think that's even. Okay, that was kind of hard to like record that. I'm gonna see if I have smaller rhinestones. I might put another rhinestone on the ends, but for right now I'm just gonna leave it like this, and I'm gonna put on some lashes. So I'm gonna put on some lashes off of camera because I feel like that just takes more time, and then we're gonna do my foundation and stuff, and then it's gonna tie the look in all together and stuff. I can't wait to put on some lashes. I feel like lashes make the biggest difference. So I will be right back. Okay, so I applied some lashes. Can you guys guess what lashes I'm wearing? Huh? So I am using my favorite lashes. I use them all the time on this channel, and it's the Tati lashes in TL3. I love these lashes. Another thing that I did off of camera, I did add another teeny tiny rhinestone to the ends of like the wing and stuff. So because I felt like I was just missing something. I mean, I know it's super small, but I like the way it looks. So yeah. So the next thing I'm going to use is the Ole Henriksen. This is the Banana Bright Face Primer. Since I am going to use the Charlotte Tilbury the Airbrush Flawless Foundation. I've been trying different things. It does say you do not need a primer with it, but I just like trying other stuff, and you know, like this is gonna brighten your skin and just like give it more of a glow and stuff. So that's what I want to use. So how are you guys doing? Hope everyone is doing great. I'm doing great. So today I had my appointment at the doctor's office, and I got to see the baby today, and he's doing so good and he's so cute. Like I could see his little nose and like his lips and stuff, and he moves so much. And it was funny because like afterwards, me and my husband, we went to TJ Maxx. And y'all, TJ Maxx has some cute baby clothes. Like some of the stuff was like $10, $16, and like there were outfits. So I might just have to do like a baby clothing haul. Like my parents got me a lot of clothes already for him, but I don't know if I should do like the baby clothing haul in that video, because it's a lot. But if you're interested, any mommies out there or anybody like that's interested in seeing like cute little people, like, you know, cute little baby clothes and stuff, let me know, because I will for sure record it and stuff and like get you a bargain, because TJ Maxx is where it's at. Okay, so I'm going in with this foundation that I've been using in my past, what, 2 videos now or so. So I'm just gonna let's do 1 full pump of that. Oops. And I'm just gonna start applying this to the skin. I like applying this with my finger of where I want either most of the coverage to be at, and the shade that I am using is 6 Neutral. The brush I'm using is the BH Cosmetics #3 in that marble set. Once again, y'all don't sleep on that set. I'm gonna see if they still have it and link it down below for you guys, because I absolutely love that brush collection. So good. This is my beloved concealer, the Flawless Fusion from Laura Mercier, shade 220. This is looking a little light. I think it's the lighting right now. Every time, like if I move sometimes, or like certain day, like the time of day it is outside and stuff, I swear the lighting is like a hit or miss for me. I'm feeling like I need another ring light, like to put 2 of them and stuff on each side of me to make the lighting a little bit better. So hopefully that will get better in due time, because that stuff is money. So hopefully that will get better for you guys, that we can enjoy my content and stuff. If you guys didn't know, if you like tap on the screen, if you're watching it on your phone or anything like that, there's like these little dots on your screen, and you can change it to like 1080p, and that makes the resolution much better. I have to do that on my videos, because I think it does it like at a 780, and like, no, it needs to be like at 1080 for I think the resolution and stuff to get at least better and stuff. I mean, it changes just a little bit, but still, just so you guys can have a better experience with watching my videos and stuff. Okay, so I did set my under eyes and my smile lines and stuff with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Next, I'm gonna use the MAC Give Me Sun, and I'm using my BH Cosmetics #2. This is their marble set, and I love this brush. It's so big and fluffy and just super soft. So today I'm not gonna do like a heavy like contour or anything like that. I'm just wanting to put that flush of color back into my skin. That way my skin doesn't look pale or flat or anything like that. And I like to put some at the tip of my nose, and then bring it around the border of my face to bring that color back and make me look like I've been in the sun and stuff, when I haven't been in the sun at all. Next, I'm taking my Holy Grail ABH and Omrezi highlighter, and then my Morphe Y14 brush. Just swirl that in there, and then go to town with your highlight, because this highlight is bomb. Another highlight that I love, that I haven't used in a long time, is the Laura Geller Gilded Honey. That one was like my first like pop-in like highlight and stuff. I absolutely loved that highlighter. But if they don't have this one, they definitely still have that Gilded Honey highlight. Oof. Okay, y'all, so I went ahead and did my lips off the camera. I pretty much did the same thing I did in the last video, and I used my Makeup Forever Anywhere Caffeine lip liner. And then for the lip shade, I used the Kylie Cosmetics. It's called Naked. If I can find these products, I'll go ahead and link them down below because they're like my holy grails. Let me know if you want to see a video of my holy grails of products I love using and that I use constantly and stuff. You probably already can tell from like certain videos that I've done and stuff, but we are not done with this look until we set our face with the Morphe and Jeffree Star Starberry powder, because I feel like I put a lot of powders on my face today, like with setting my under eyes and stuff. Let's go ahead and melt that into the skin. And the stuff smells so good too. I love the way this stuff smells. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. Let me get in close so you guys can see everything. This is what my skin is looking like. Absolutely loving this freaking foundation so much. And I love how the rhinestones came out. Even this little itty bitty one that looks like a little mole. Whatever, I'm loving, I'm here for it. Let me know if you guys love the way this look came out, because I love it. Hopefully you guys love it. Very simple. You don't have to do the rhinestones or anything like that, but it's cool to be extra sometimes, you know? So if you did enjoy today's video, please give me a big thumbs up, as well as be sure to comment something down below. Let me know videos you want to see, or I don't know, let's talk in the comment section down below, because I love talking to you guys. As well as be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll go ahead and leave you another video, that way you guys can watch it. Go ahead and click it. I know you want to. Go ahead and click that video. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.